Hi, welcome to PCT Product Focus. I'm Vince Willman with PCT. They're the technical product lead. Today, I'd like to talk with you about one of our key wheat products, which is wheat foliar. The timing can be done anywhere from a Feekes 5 through a Feekes 10, which is basically at heading when we're applying our fungicide. This is a product which contains nitrogen, copper, and zinc. And I'd like to talk with you today and focus in on why we have these combination of products in this product. First, I'd like to talk about nitrogen and the reason we use that. For early in the season, we use that to help that plant tiller so we could have more stems. And that also is one of the key nutrients for having a bigger, stronger canopy, along with improved protein of the grain and overall yield, and it's one of the key nutrients for photosynthesis and chlorophyll production as well. Then as we move along to copper, you may say, why do we have copper in there for that time of the year? Well, copper is a natural fungicide disease booster. Many of you, if you have livestock, know it's used for foot baths, or for vegetables, we use a lot of that to control fungal diseases. It's a natural, simple fungicide. And copper helps improve pollen viability. So that viability, the pollen shed, is very key, and copper is a key nutrient for that, along with overall grain quality and grain set, as well with take-all being one of the major diseases copper is very key for. Then as we move on to the next nutrient, which is zinc, zinc is very important for our root development, and also being that it helps develop a larger root mass. It helps with overall stress for drought resistance as well, and it also helps the plant regulate its hormonal activity, and it also is very good at it, improves the efficiency with the nitrogen metabolism. So it's very key for nitrogen efficiency. So you may say we look at having higher yielding wheat, and that comes from having more tillering, grain fill, and overall quality. Then we look at having better roots. That equals having more nutrient and fertilizer uptakes, along with improved stress tolerance through drought and disease pressures that we have, and having a higher protein from that grain and wheat crop that we're growing because of the better nitrogen utilization. And also looking at having a better quality grain to sell with a better nutritional value to support that, all because of that application of a nitrogen, zinc, and copper product on that wheat. So with any further questions, please reach out to your local ASA and ask them more about wheat foliar for your wheat crop and upcoming application. Thank you, and have a safe spring.